Welcome back to Alan's Yummy Food Stories. So today, guys, we're gonna make some carrot mint lemonade, which is filled to the brim with vitamins and antioxidants. And this is my most favorite drink also. So now, let's make the recipe. So first, we got the three main ingredients here. We got some lime, we got some carrots, and we got some mint leaves. So before making this recipe, we just peel off the skin of the carrots, wash them thoroughly, and after that place them in a bowl and split them in half first. After that, split them in half. My mom splitting them in half and then chop them. And after chopping them, place the chopped carrots in, soak them in water for 2 hours. After that, you must cut up some lemons, two lemons for squeezing and the lemon juice, and four for garnishing. We also got some ginger syrup here. We got some lemon syrup. We got some mint leaves, and we got some good old chia seeds, fully fresh and soft. So these are the ingredients. So the first thing here to do is to blend the chopped up carrots, and then after that it will become carrot juice. So after that, take your glass bottle or glass jar and place some mint leaves, and after that add some pieces of lemon or slices of lemon, add some chia seeds to enhance the flavor, and also add the lemon juice. Don't forget the lemon juice, and also add the ginger syrup. After adding the ginger syrup, you also have to add one extra ingredient, which is honey, to make it very sweet. Don't add sugar, actually, add only honey. And then add the finishing touch by adding the blended carrot juice, and then stir them up really well. So now let's add some ice cubes. Add 2 or 3 ice cubes here and there. Yes, add some ice cubes, and also add the carrot juice, and along with that we gotta add one main ingredient here, which is the chia seeds. After pouring in the carrot juice, you just add the chia seeds, and after adding the chia seeds, guys, add some pieces of lime to make it look natural. And also after that, I'm going to taste test this delicious carrot juice. So guys, now I'm going to taste test the good old carrot mint lemonade. So yes, it's filled to the brim with chia seeds, as you can see. Got chia. Also, it's made up of lemon, as you can see. So now I'm going to drink it. So soothing. This is so soothing. Much refreshing. I feel refreshed when I drink this, because yes, this is my most favorite drink here, mint lemonade. So this is the most refreshing and soothing drink you can ever drink. Honestly good on summer vacations. You can try it on other seasons such as winter, etc. But drinking this on the summer, it feels so good. Feels like paradise. So if you like this recipe here, I hope you guys try this recipe out. And also, if you tried the recipe out and also you want to give an opinion, you can give it an opinion in the comment section below. And guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys like this video, then I hope you guys smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also click on the bell notification so you will get more amazing cooking videos and also smoothie making videos like this. So bon appetit and bye.